the W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, looking to break down language barriers and streamline their global business communications. Designed with cutting-edge technology, these earbuds offer simultaneous translation for up to 40 languages and 93 accents, providing an average accuracy rate of 95%. Whether in one-on-one interactions, on-site meetings, or online conferences, the W4 Pro is built to keep you connected and understood in any scenario. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Opening the box of the W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds is an experience in itself. The packaging is sleek and professional, immediately setting the tone for the high-tech product inside. As you lift the lid, you're greeted by the neatly arranged earbuds, housed securely in their charging case. The minimalist design is both modern and functional, making a statement of elegance and practicality. Included in the box are W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, charging case, user manual. The W4 Pro excels in delivering real-time translation with a response time of just 0.2 seconds. This feature is ideal for fast-paced business environments where every second counts. The 1v1 simultaneous interpreting mode allows for seamless dialogues, making it feel as though language barriers don't exist. Equipped with a 3-mic array, the W4 Pro ensures precise voice pickup, even in noisy environments. This technology, coupled with voice recognition accuracy that's 50% better than previous models, guarantees that your words are captured clearly, resulting in more accurate translations. The open ear design offers both comfort and clarity, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while engaging in conversations. This is particularly useful in professional settings, where being able to hear external sounds is often necessary. Moreover, the design ensures minimal sound leakage, keeping your conversations private and secure. The W4 Pro allows for hands-free operation, so you can stay focused on your tasks. No need to tap your phone or earbuds to activate translation. This feature is a game changer for multitasking professionals who need to switch between languages seamlessly during meetings. The earbuds support media translation for online meetings, video calls, and even foreign language media streaming. This ensures you never miss a detail, no matter the language. The AI semantic segmentation technology helps in advanced parsing of sentences, making it easier to follow along during complex discussions. The W4 Pro not only translates, but also saves audio and text for later reference. This feature is perfect for post-meeting workflows, allowing you to export AI memos with ease, keeping all key points and discussions organized. The earbuds provide up to 6 hours of continuous translation on a single charge, and the charging case offers additional battery life. A quick 10-minute charge gives you an extra hour of use, which is incredibly convenient for busy schedules. The W4 Pro shines in various business settings, from casual networking events to formal negotiations. The privacy-first approach ensures that only you hear the translations, making it suitable for sensitive discussions. In real-world use, the earbuds proved to be reliable and efficient. The quick response time and high accuracy of translations allowed for natural conversations, whether in one-on-one settings or larger meetings. The ability to handle unexpected foreign calls with ease was an added bonus, making it an invaluable tool for international business professionals. The W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds are not just a gadget. They are a revolutionary tool that redefines global business communication. With their advanced features, intuitive design, and exceptional performance, they empower professionals to engage in seamless cross-language interactions, fostering a new level of collaboration and understanding. If you're looking to take your global business interactions to the next level, the W4 Pro is an investment worth making. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.